In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into TradingView. We'll start right from your web browser so you can follow along easily. First, open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search box, type TradingView and press enter. This ensures you land on the official site even if you don't know the exact address. On the results page, look for the result titled TradingView, Track All Markets. It should be near the top and show the tradingview.com domain. Avoid sponsored ads or lookalike links, and make sure the URL includes HTTPS for a secure connection. Click that result to open TradingView. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a simple empty profile icon. Click that to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Sign In. That will take you to the Sign In window with several options. For this walkthrough, select Sign In with Email. TradingView supports other sign-in methods, but using email keeps the process straightforward and consistent across devices. In the email or username field, carefully enter the email address or username associated with your TradingView account. Take a moment to double-check for typos, extra spaces, or autofill mistakes. If you copy and paste your email, make sure you didn't include a trailing space. Next, enter your account password in the password field. Keep an eye on caps lock and keyboard layout, and consider using a trusted password manager to paste your password securely. For your security, avoid typing passwords on shared or untrusted devices. When both fields look correct, click Sign In. TradingView may briefly verify your details and then redirect you to your dashboard or the main charting interface. If you're prompted with a CAPTCHA or an additional verification step, just follow the on-screen instructions. That's a normal security check. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your account, have your code ready and complete that step to finish logging in. If your credentials don't work, double-check the email or username you used and confirm you're on the official site. You can also use the password reset option to regain access if needed. After you're in, you're all set to explore charts, watch lists, and alerts. That's the complete process from search to sign in, made simple and secure. If you plan to log in often, consider bookmarking the home page so you can return quickly next time. And if you're on a public or shared computer, make sure to log out when you're done. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause or replay any section while you follow along.